tappat takten alla Bullfest hela dagen Mjöl från livets grottekvarn Bullfest hela dagen Stort på stort, det har vi alltid gjort Så det är Bullfest hela dagen
Hi everyone, it's Minami. Today I'm very excited to show you Mewburn Park Homestead, where the place we stayed in Gippsland. Gippsland has spectacular nature and charming small towns. Let's check it out. Mewburn Park Homestead is located in Mafla, just a 2.5-hour drive from Melbourne City. It's a place with a rich history, authentic natural beauty, and lovely host. The sparkling trees and welcoming audience make it a perfect escape from busy lives. And during our visit, the spring weather couldn't have been better. Okay, look. There is a sign leading us to the car park. Let's explore. A pretty sign leads us to a place we stay. As we enter the gate, we're greeted by a spacious backyard with a kids' playground on the left side. Well, you can see 2 outdoor seatings, which is perfect for us. Let's walk through this gorgeous outdoor veranda. We enjoyed apple and pear cider here while soaking in a breathtaking sunset. The charming country-style gate and flowers gave us perfect opportunity to film this gorgeous yard. The excellent sunset spot is occupied by the lemon tree. Now, let's talk a bit about the history. Mewburn Park Homestead dates back to the colonial 1850s. The homestead and its surrounding lands were used for farming and agricultural activities, which were crucial for the development of the region. The homestead is an example of early colonial architecture and has been preserved as a historical site. Here's a hidden gem. The Plato-Westerly arch. I absolutely adore this spring flower. Let's walk through this arch gate together and let's see what else we have. Here they have the wedding venue. Can you imagine having your wedding here surrounded by these spectacular gardens? It's like a dream come true. Check out these charming flake stables. The contrast between the red flakes and the white pear flower is simply delightful. The delicate white flowers I often see at weddings as a promise for a lasting, loving marriage and the hope of a new life. Those big country-style doors make me feel like I've traveled back in time. And these hanging lights is the perfect spot for shooting photos. Here is absolutely an amazing wedding destination. I'm so excited to share this cozy little stay. Let's head inside now. The warm ambience with pretty candles welcomes us warmly. I feel in a warm color palette and the motifs creates a perfect blend of French country and bohemian vibes. Who doesn't love the contrast of pink and navy? The Hampton style window with the navy velvet curtains adds a touch of luxury to this room. Let's check out this pretty living room. Turn the light on. Ta-da! Okay, let me show you my favorite. So my favorite is the knob on the cabinet. I love those traditional details, and the brass finish is amazing combination with those dark colors. Actually, I feel some modern touches as well, like glass lamps and leather cushion and gold sharp sofa legs and white rattan table. Those chairs are so comfy, by the way, and I think this is the best view for a perfect morning. Look at those cute flower tiles. Yes, I'm in the bathroom. It feels like I'm in a European apartment. Okay, again, the antique furniture are driving me crazy. Those are so pretty. The shampoo and the conditioner were so good. I unluckily can't remember the brand. Before we wrap it up, I want to share a little tip. If you're planning a stay like this in Australia, I highly recommend using the website Riparide. If you're looking for a cozy and nature-filled escape, Riparide is the way to go. This is not advertisement. Unfortunately, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you for joining me and watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. See you. Bye.